Hello, welcome back to Vintage Logo series. Okay, so this is what we have created in the last video. So, so let's create one more version out of it. So how you can make it presentable in more logo design version. So I'm just copied it. Okay, you can press Shift O to access this tool, and by pressing alt key you can copy, and if you press shift and alt both together you can drag it 90-degree angle and leave. Okay, this is how you can make copy out of it. So what I want to do is I just want to cover in a circle. So I want to make an emblem circle, so like this one. So I need to change its color, I think. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm just taking these apart. I don't need these things right now. Okay. Now something like this. Let it be. Take the Carolina part. Sorry, Carolina. Wrong pronunciation. I'm very bad in English actually. So let's make group, Control G, and make sure we are aligned to the center of this circle. Okay, this should be also the center of this circle. Select this one and select the circle and make the circle highlight by clicking and pressing holding the alt key, and then make it center. It's already the center, and this one, I think this one is also the center. So I think that's great. So its thickness, I think it is too much. Let's take it down a bit. I'm going to create one more circle, copy and then paste in front, and it should be a little bit smaller than this one, and the thickness should be even more less. Okay, so I think select both, take them. Okay, 4 will be appropriate. Okay, I need to have this color actually separately. So what I'm going to do is pick this color from here and come to the swatches. Here we can reserve here. Okay, so select this one and I'm going to add in this one. I'm going to copy this one. This is my habit. So suppose if I go and mash up this with this, so I can utilize back from here. That's why I just kept it in advance. So I think there should be even more gap between these two circles. That's okay. I'm going to convert them into a shape by expanding them. Okay. So it should be in the same color as this one, and these I think should be in the same color as this one. So take a square, sorry, rectangle. Now we can drag a rectangle around this and make sure it is in the center. Okay, let's switch to the stroke, select this one and delete like this. Okay, so take the South Carolina. This word, I want this wording should start from here and should end up to here in the round, I think, in the circle. So I'm going to, what I'm going to do is select this one first. Let's make sure it is in the center of the main shape, and then rotate it like this. Okay, and try to make the circle small. Now you can see you have type the text on this circle, but here you can, somewhere here you can see this line, standing line, so you have to click and drag inward. Sorry, click and that inward. So what you're saying, you actually flipped the text actually. Now it is in the correct way right now. So we have to align it properly. Now we need to reduce its size. Size is much bigger. I think that's great. Make sure it is properly aligned. Okay, that's okay. So we need to add this form. Maybe either you can go and add like so, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some shape in its background. I'm just going to create a label kind of stuff on which I will keep it. So create a box. Okay, make sure it is in the center, and let's see. Okay, that's okay. Now if you click on this, you can see easily on all four corner you can see small dots or circle. So you can, what you have to do is just click and drag them. So what you are seeing right now, corners have been round, so I don't need round, I just them to be scalloped, this kind of. So how to achieve this fact, you have to click. So what you have to do is just drag. Now press alt key on your keyboard, then click on this one. This is how you can change, like so. And okay, that's okay. Maybe we can add little more element, circle. So make it sure it is the center, vertical center, and take its center point and align up to here, something like this. Okay, sorry, let's enlarge this one, I think. Okay, take this one and drag it here. Select all the three element and unite them together. Okay, now I'm going to add this color in this one, and so farm color I'm going to replace this green one with the white. Actually this is behind this shape, so I'm going to take this shape behind this one. I think earlier color was better. This light color, I think this was better than that. So I would like to have this one instead. Make sure this is the center. I think that's great. What you can do is we can place small circle over here, like so. The same, let's copy and place somewhere here. And we can also have some boundary, but that going to be, according to me, inward, not outward. Boundary should be inward. So let's take it, let's put it here, somewhere here. Select this one. What we have to do is come back here, come to the object menu. Here you can go to the path and choose offset path. Click on this. So we have to set value in the minus actually. That's okay. Click OK. So I'm going to add white color and switch the fill color to the stroke. That's okay. Here we go. I think it should be even more thin. So let's try to add if it goes with this or not. Let's see. No, I don't like this now. Let's get rid of this one. So I think this circle we can add up here. Okay. So that, yeah, that's great. Copy and paste. If now still you can try these element if they are looking nice, so you can have it. If you find them to be looking ugly, so you can avoid them. Okay, so select this one, copy, and you have to find center point, click with alt and copy like so. Flip it. Okay, copy. Now here click, copy. So you can go with this, and I would like to, so I let's copy this one somewhere here. I'm just going to delete. Okay, it's looking nice as it is. So I'm going to add some element actually. If you go and can add some element, so from here I'm going to start like so. So let's create some small. That's great. Here we can do the same thing. So very soon I'm gonna create a video on how to create these kind of different elements, so that you can use whenever you need in your logo. So actually I'm unable to find anchor. Yeah, I found it. Click here, then copy. So this is how you can change. So this is what we had created in the last class. This is what we have created in this class. So let's copy this one. So now I'm going to create one more different shape that client may use as a seal kind of symbol actually. So I'm going to delete this one, and I don't need these. Let's get rid of this. So I need these circle. Let's copy. Okay, remove this one, remove this one as well. So take it out, make it to the center. Okay, now I just want this main logo text should read like this. Okay, in circular manner. So let's I think thickness has been, it should be increased actually. Copy, paste. Now we need to select, copy, and then take type on part tool, click here and paste. We have to use the same font. When you're going to give clients these multiple variations, the client gonna be very happy. So this is what you can do to satisfy the client. So I just want it to be even more large. Maybe you can utilize guideline, Control R, so we can check. Okay, that's great. Let's make it smaller, and I'm going to take the form as it is here. Let's take it up, and forms, I just want it to be below this tree actually. Control G, group, and it should be here. Center. Take it down and take the ear, double click to move into the isolation mode, and then we can also place up here. So we can copy this one from here, copy and then paste. Make sure it is the center. Okay, so let's increase its size. So along with Control, Shift and greater than and less than key, you can increase font size and decrease the font size. You can practice this one. So okay, something like this. So I just want the silver oak must be, I just want it to be highlighted most. Okay, so South Carolina should be in different font, so that the focus should go on first silver oak. Silver oak, if anybody go and read silver oak farms, so I think we need to take it down like so, little bigger, and should be in the center. It is not the center right now, it is the center. So let's so the logo almost ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this circle, little circle. I'm going to place back here. Maybe just get rid of the circle. We can add some element that we already added here in the last here. Okay, you can copy. Otherwise, you can go and create again. So like this. Okay, so we can move it little. Select this one and find the center. Right, when you see a text appears anchor, okay, then you have to click and flip vertical and okay, copy. Here we go. So I think we need to set character gapping. I think it must be around 270. So you may have noticed, first we had created this one, now this one, now this this gonna be used as a seal. Okay, so we have created 3 variation of one logo. So in the next video, that's all for this video. In the next video, I'm going to create how to make your logo presentable to entice the client. Okay, so don't forget to watch my next video. I'm going to create a presentation of the client by using all of these logo. Okay, thank you very much. I'm seeing you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe my channel. If you didn't subscribe so far, do let me know what you have learned from my today's video by commenting in the comment box. And don't forget to see more part linked with the same video. I'm gonna see you in the next video very soon. Till then, bye, stay safe. Thank you.